What me take up on myself?
I don't know what we take up on myself. Blue Mountain, I want Blue Mountain, you get.
She is woman, so beautiful. She is strong. She is strong. Oh yeah, she is powerful, sophisticated and confident, so strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So for today guys, I am in Blue Mountain with some of my friends. What we'll be doing, I'll be showing you scenes from the hike. Right now I'm already here, so I'll be showing you scenes from the hike, us coming up in the transport and everything. And I'll also be showing you the different activities we'll be doing up here while we're here. So, but before we get into that though guys, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, and of course don't forget to leave a comment and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so the next time I post you will be notified. So let's get into the activities guys. This is Blue Mountain. Never. Alex. This is Car Bear. Hey! The others are coming, so we're loading up now to the journey.
Did you get more milk come on? May I tell you something? I'm going to need a picture then. I'm going to know me. I'm going to drop it in the road.
Make sure say I take it, you know. Naga 6. Muscles, actually.
True.
Full line. Yeah? No, good job.
Oh, God.
Oh, mama. He come is here, take the back laugh, you hate me, dear. Never mind. No, folks. No, folks. Not a quattino sell. Them that would know. Not a kilo sell. What a night. What a Saturday night. You know, come here. What a night. Right. So, the man was driving down the dark road. The black road he was driving on. The vehicle lights were off. Right? Vehicle lights were off. Black road. Black road. Black car. Black road. A black road. Vehicle lights were off.
Black as
Black.
in...
Like. Maybe look at the dark. So the vehicle was driving on the black road. The black car was driving on the black road. And right, there was a black car crossing the road. And right, as the man that was with him, he swing out. The vehicle lights were off. How was this possible? The Whitfield. Sorry, John. Black.
Yeah, Shamara, we should.
We have said duck and she have pull out phone. I want the champs. What they are waving?
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Na 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 na.
Yeah, Shamara, we
See
should.
again.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. So we are here now. What's up over there, so?
Why is one
Press gas.
Oh my God.
Are they a banana?
Chrissy, how was your ride? My ride good. Me call tips from the front seat again. I ate the true experience, Chriselle.
Jump, just jump
So
off.
what's up? This is where they leave us.
Come,
I know.
just jump off.
Oh, where the fuck now? You stand up, man. We're here.
Come, jump.
Macadamia nuts.
Coffee? Macadamia
eat.
nuts.
You can eat food inside.
Start the journey. No, we need
So who are our tour guide from
here.
here?
We don't have one.
You
Just have shams.
just direct and sending out to the street.
Look here. Sir, if me want cut down one of them tree if you make one furniture, you can just come and do it or make the permission.
You have to get permission, good.
Talk to Nepa.
So this is where the hike starts, guys.
So you're here. Alright, we are collecting numbers.
Alicia, ready for the road, Ali?
The vlog, yes.
Ready, Ali?
Yes, we're ready.
Let's go, Ali. We're aiming for an hour. Zoti milk? We lost already. Guys, we already took the wrong turn.
I was looking at
It says trespassers will be prosecuted, guys.
Now branch up.
Wrong turn. First error of the day. First error of the day. Not even 5 minutes into the hike and we'll make a wrong turn. The big sign said no trespassing. And look at us.
Look, yeah. I'm tired already.
Amanda, how you feeling? I would not even walk 10 minutes. What? It's been about 2 hours since we left Mavis Bank. We're now trying to improvise with getting the luggage, the bags up. We should be close to Portland Gap by now. I'm tired. So man, just take a little rest, take a little time.
What me take up on myself?
I don't know what we take up on ourselves. Blue Mountain, no one Blue Mountain, you get.
Yeah. Pretty strong, man, then. Strong.
So, this is supposed to be the last part of the trail before we get to the cabin. We heard Alicia screaming that she found it. So, here we go. Those screams of joy. We're almost there. Yeah! Three more. How you feeling, guys?
We're feeling tired.
Let me see what I'm feeling. Wait, Me feeling.
You can't dance, though. You never dance. Look at that.
I am never doing this again. Lies they tell.
Oh, this is an easier journey. I was just walking. It was so easy. I'm ready to go again. Come on, guys.
You
Let's
ready
go
to
down
go
back.
again?
Yeah.
Let's just
Let's
go
go
to
down
the
back.
peak right
Tamara.
You missed it. So it's to the
Tamara.
peak, so
Let's
you
go.
go.
Sharp, this was his feet.
Tamara, did send you the
I drove now.
What she say?
Shamara, keep put them out. My feet 30 feet.
Sometimes I have not knee.
I said you knock us off.
Sometimes I have not
Yeah,
knee.
see you where so.
I know all the way.
My feet 30 feet, me say.
No, it's no man. Me I said. What me actually say?
Superman, how was it?
Was great. Woo! It's done already. I'm looking.
You want to go to the peak now?
No. We'll go with it, no man. One to you, man. I want to get the energy from, you know.
So Alex and Nibbler lost.
No.
So we have Ross up here, Marcel, Pierre, and Guinea.
Alex, turn back.
Come in, Tony. Natural.
Alright,
Natural.
We're not
so
just
blessing,
This tastes
that's
good.
all.
What you putting in this?
Actually, it's beetroot, ginger, and they use cane juice to it.
Yo, it's bad, man.
Where you say Carrie endorse not just beetroot.
Good
Not just you're up here all the time, every day.
Yeah, always at the foot of Jacob Leather are right here.
All right, here at Portland, yeah.
Where is
Jacob?
Where we start.
Right at the airport, you know.
So anytime we're coming up here, we can look out for you for the good
Natural.
Yeah,
coconut
right.
water and the beetroot juice and pear when
Yeah,
it's
man.
in season and so.
What them say? One cannot tip on the front line.
With a rain or shine.
Whether rain or shine. Plant a dance.
It's a rain now.
So see you then. Take him.
Man, not bad.
Man, that
Tell him
the
to
rest
fall out, but we're fighting. Now they make me scream out and things so we actually reach.
I really saw it, though, guys.
I didn't say it in our mind.
Boy, in our mind, I said, do
I
not
said me
mislead.
scream, I say yes we reach the cabin.
I said, do not mislead the people. Them. Don't do it.
Wicked.
The cabin now. So let's go. This is our humble abode for tonight.
This room? Next room there. Now use the kitchen for cooking.
We're going to use the kitchen.
So I'm going to run this up.
Here. So. Okay. And then this, yeah, we don't get access to the kitchen.
Okay. I call a bottom bunk. I can't go no further.
wicked to me, you know.
So they're different.
No market.
Oh, there's a lot of rooms. Then fix up here. Then fix up here, Alicia.
Yes, then fix up the place, good and proper.
Good and proper.
Veranda. Veranda.
Another cabin down there, picnic area. This would have been for the bonfire, but we don't know if we're gonna have any if rain is falling. I think that's the outhouse.
We're gonna have bonfire.
So that's the bonfire.
So where kitchen area there?
I think I ate this down here, so the kitchen area. Alright, so let's do a completely property tour. Property tour. Our weekend aboard. Alex, how you doing? We're here, Alex. We're here. So the bonfire.
We're gonna have a bonfire here tonight.
This is the outhouse. I think this is the toilets. Good old pit toilets. It's really cold up here, guys. Cold. Oh God, kind of drizzling too. So, area. So, down. So we're going to set up our fires here. Little sink area. Alright, full tour. And then now I think down here is the shower. So this is the shower area. The showers. Showers. Everybody's up there having a grand time.
Is only here alone?
Yeah. Chefing up the place, we have Alicia. What you cooking, Mama? What you cooking?
Curry chicken and rice and dumpling and banana.
So we have our groceries. When buy vinegar tin, you come to wash chicken.
Who go shop?
Alex.
Alex can go shop.
And he called me last night and asked me to bring ketchup to make the gravy. This brown stew.
You buy all of the good things them. I like him. The time they don't look so ready to work.
All the time look all but workable vinegar. How you care about me?
But that me I wonder.
Irish and plantain. Alex on fire duty. The chicken. Then can start the chicken. How it here?
One nigga and trading off his son back here. And he's sitting.
Is that where you get that?
What's the money? I don't know, say me cold. That's cold.
Curry chicken, you say, what I do?
Just a funny
As me put on this, me go bail, you know.
Alright, man.
But me not taste something.
Chickpea pot getting ready.
You want?
And this time with the
know what
food
me not
pot.
taste. Pimento.
Pimento.
Thyme.
You not season yet, remember? So in terms of the salt, the seasoning, that part there, it's alright.
So how long gonna take to come
She
down?
cut up the seasoning.
That me not
But it's not fresh.
No,
But it
it's
want
okay.
the other natural
Not
seasoning.
Right.
That means it's not fresh. Just had a shower. Put on some warm clothes. It's actually raining now, I'll soon show you. We finished cooking as well, and they're just waiting on the rice. So we're cooking breakfast from tonight and just wait on it too. And just warm it up in the morning. So I'm going to show you the rain now. So we won't get to do the bonfire because of the rain. But there is a lot of space here. So we can just work with the space here. So not too bad though in terms of the rain. Yeah. The water cold, you know, but it's nice. Yeah, look cool and nice. The water is cold, but it's very refreshing. I really love if the water me had the cold, so.
Okay, have the next spoon? I never ask you that. You have the next spoon?
Pressure.
More sweet potato.
Food time.
Yeah.
Banana. You do want banana?
Good time. Bare ground provisions, man, I eat, but me no business.
So the rest of your food, eh?
Me don't know it. Why the pot never find it?
You want plantain? What?
You wanna love tip when me and you, man? Remember when we not got something there? What place name? The Falls. Right name?
Cane River.
Fuck off you can't see.
No, I see, but I want to see on this way too near to the cold.
So catch your battery on there so then.
It's morning time. And that's Amanda down there. Say hi to the people, Amanda. Amanda, say hi to the people.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Never on them sheets somewhere there, so.
I'm cool.
So it's now Sunday morning. Last night was cold, really cold. Not bad cold, but it's cold. And we had a lot of rain. I'm very surprised that this morning there isn't any rain. This is at the front of the cabin. So now there's no rain. It's cool and nice, and down by the kitchen they're starting up the fire to make tea and to warm up the food because we cooked extra last night. So we're gonna warm that up and eat it.
You flashing I know, but don't want no flash.
In the dark. Hi guys, good morning.
Afternoon.
Hi Neville. It's now after 7, it's time to get up.
It's after 6, you're pushing it.
Oh, alright. Me not even know what's going over there, so.
Carry each up behind Chris also.
We are spoon.
The place is really cold, guys.
Cold bad.
Carry why each up behind Chris.
The bumper.
Cold bumper.
What's your one here?
It's warm now.
In bed having Pringles.
We're now heading to the peak, leaving the cabin to go to the peak. Yeah, so we'll meet up with everybody else now. Hi guys, we're going to the peak. They want to kill me. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Ready guys? Ready? That's my YouTube boy. So we're heading out now. Hey, everybody walk out. We can meet when we're not there up at top. Up no my Silford. Peak. Heading to the peak. Crew out. Good girl Christy with the umbrella rain now fall.
Fall for me, you're the drop them.
You are 2.5 miles from the peak.
Oh, you know that?
That's what the sign here says.
How much over the 2 over that?
2.5 miles are fat, no 5K. Me no know.
Me no know miles. Me know hours.
Miles are in a no, but I think that's 2 hours.
About 1 hour per mile.
Let's even know.
Fire up your lighter.
Go on with the waves.
You make me feel lighter. You make me feel. Where backup singer them there? Give me the fire, make me feel that. That's how it go.
Alex, give me a song now. It's me. How them there?
Why Crystal never?
I could wait for them.
So guys, how some of them gonna leave us. The last time we saw us at 2.5 miles. I am hoping the walk is not more than an hour. And then to go down after, I'm gonna have no time to sleep. But I think the next time I come up here, staying 2 nights. So after the peak we can sleep. So yeah.
We can't just roll you, you know.
Roll me down? Roll it down. Roll me down.
Sing there.
So I'm going to sing there. I want to do Google the song or not listen to Alex sing it. Alright, let's go. There seems to be a dead hen here.
Dead hen.
Dead end.
Them walk here, see them look for them.
So we're gonna have to call those who are ahead of us to ask them if they passed the
Where I
rock.
will not go up.
I'm gonna try.
Dead end.
Well, Alicia look like she got
Who's at the front of
attempted.
the pack? Because you lead me astray.
Me?
I don't lead nobody astray. I don't know where I am.
Oh God, don't make it thing look so hard, man. Remember, don't come straight, turn. See it there?
Watch Moses.
Moses and our rod. Mosisha.
Mosisha.
The landslide.
You Thera?
You me see a Superman push it down?
Yep. So I'm gonna need mistake.
Not really. You know, just put your head under.
Under
The wood.
Under
wood.
and hold on to that limb
Yeah.
right there. So.
Come here to me.
What is mama and papa? Under where now? Underwater. She would underwater. Woo. Under.
I knew that from day one.
Yo, remember I have me things, so come, move.
Bad man, move.
Come if you don't know, come, give me. Because the stick on my life right now. Can't do nothing without it. I'm going to name him Anakin. It's up here. You can hear that wind? Listen. Here it's so cool.
Oh, you reach and you
So cool. Whew.
the AC area.
Yeah. It's a sign that we're on the right track. A marker showing that we're on the right trail. We haven't seen any more signs as to say how many more miles we have to go. But we're seeing markers. So here's another one. So despite the landslide, we're on the right track and we're going. We're almost at the peak. We've been walking for about almost 2 hours. It's raining. So this is kind of like a flat. So just assuming that we're close. We were on our way to the peak, but based on time constraints and the weather, because the rain is on and off and it's getting heavier, kind of stop right now, and we have a time constraint in order to meet in our van back down. We'll be turning back because I think it's about 11:30 now, and we need to get down before curfew, and so trust me, the breeze, like I went up a little further and the trail, I'm not seeing any sign of the peak right now, and based on time we have to really go back down now. Yeah, so unfortunately for this trip we didn't make it to the peak. The last time I came here I did, so I guess I have that experience. But for the purpose of this vlog, there won't be a peak experience to get. But up here cold, I'm wet, I'm tired, I'm
hungry.
And it's just us females right now. It's just us females right now. So honestly, I think I just gotta turn back. Get something to eat down by the cabin and make our way back down to Jacob's Ladder to meet the 4-wheel drive back to Mavis Bank and head home. Today is Sunday. Some of us have work tomorrow and there's a curfew. Some persons are going further than Kingston, so I think it's the best decision to make. So let's go on the cabin. Yeah. There's mine. Alex.
Graffiti, you know, legal.
So we're back at the cabin and we're getting ready to head out now. We had a very fun weekend, however it was very tiring. Remember to drop a comment, like this video, subscribe and share. Bye! So So as Chrissy said, guys, it was a good weekend. Though we didn't make it to the peak. I'm tired. It was still fun. So as Chrissy says, guys, don't forget to leave us a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the hike. Would you come up here? Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So guys, until next time. Bye.
Welcome to Majesty. You are the